Hey everyone, happy Monday. So, just a couple things before we get started for the week, just so you know what's going to happen here over the next 5 or so days. First off, all the work that you have done over the past couple weeks, all of that is going to be graded. Okay, starting today, we are allowed to put grades in. Therefore, everything that you've previously done is going to get graded and put into PowerSchool. So, today's assignment, to get right to it, is simply to do all of the assignments that were posted. So that was 7-1 assignment, 7-1 adding polynomials, 7-1 subtracting polynomials, and then 7-1 recap worksheet. If you were done all of that, recap assignment. If you were done all of that, then your job today is to do one thing, and that is 7.1 worksheet. Okay, you're going to submit that worksheet to me using the assignment app, and it is an assignment on Schoology. So again, today's assignment is to go back and do all of the assignments that you haven't done if you haven't done them, because I told you no matter what, we were going to do them either now or later. So 7-1, there was like 4 assignments. So it was 7-1 adding polynomials, 7-1 subtracting polynomials, 7-1 recap assignment, and then 7-1 assignment, which was just vocabulary. There were 4 assignments that you were supposed to be doing. If you didn't do them, you need to go back and do them now. In addition, you need to complete the 7-1 worksheet. So those that have not been doing anything, you have a lot of work to do today, which I tried to tell you that the more you keep up with things, the better you'll be off, okay? So everybody today needs to be doing the 7-1 worksheet. Download it, save it to your computer, your desktop, answer the questions. There's 8 questions on there today, just reviewing what we did the last couple weeks, and then you need to resubmit it. So you need to download the document, put all your answers there, and then upload it into the assignment, like into the assignment, which is on Schoology. You'll see there's a submission button. All right, that document needs to be uploaded by 9 a.m. tomorrow. All right, basically anything I give you on one day will be due the next morning. So today's assignment and all of the assignments will basically be due tomorrow morning. All right, and then I'll put everything into PowerSchool. Again, if you don't do it, it's a 0. All right, don't get lazy. Okay, we still have a couple more weeks until we go back to school anyway. So keep up the good work. All right, quickly, I want to go over just how it's going to work. So every day this week, you're going to log on to Schoology. Today, I just went over what you need to do. Tomorrow, we're going to learn something new. You need to come on to Schoology. We're going to go over 7.2. There's a bunch of things that we need to learn for 7.2. You need to go over those things by watching the video every day, taking notes. So when you come on every morning or every afternoon, whenever you're doing your work, you need to have a piece of paper so that you can write down the problems that we're doing, taking notes, and then you need to complete the assignment for that day, which I will tell you in the video. Okay? Second thing, all teachers have office hours, which means, and that's like a college thing, like college professors have what's called office hours, where you can go and visit them to like get help. So our office hours are going to be told, like each teacher will tell you when their office hours are each day. All right. My office hours are 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning. That's what I was told to do. I didn't have a pick on that. Okay. I will probably be on the Zoom call, which I'll explain in a second, for a couple extra minutes. And really all you need to do is say, Miss Compton, are you around? Can we do a Zoom call? I need help. And I'll pretty much log on to Zoom whenever you need it. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out the Zoom link. All right, each teacher will send their Zoom link out. It's a website. It's a video chat. All right, it's just like FaceTime, but 10 times better kind of, because you can do like a lot of stuff with it. When you log on to the Zoom, you want to keep your camera off. We're not allowed to FaceTime. We're not allowed to video chat at this point. All right, and if that changes, I'll let you know. And you need to turn on your microphone. So when you join the Zoom call, okay, you're going to click the link that I give you. It's very, very simple. You're going to click like allow or open Zoom or something like that. Some box pops up. Then click like allow microphone or turn on microphone. There'll be something that pops up that says like turn on your microphone because you want to be able to talk to me, but you're going to have your computer camera off, okay? Because we're not allowed to see students, I don't think at this point. All right. So if you need help, that is going to be the time, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning every day until we go back to school. I will be on Zoom. All right. If you need help, you just log on. I'll be there and we can work out whatever you need help with. I think that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right. I want to go over a couple things quickly because I noticed on your assignments that you've been doing, I've been grading them and like looking at them over the past couple weeks. Like there's some misconceptions about some things. So the first thing is the degree of a polynomial. All right. That is the highest exponent. So anytime you have a polynomial, remember we have binomials, which is 2, monomials, which is 1, and trinomials, which is 3. All right. You are just finding the highest exponent in the problem. That's all. So number 1, it's 2x to the third plus blah, 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 blah. All right. That degree is 3. So the answer for this one would be 3. This one, this is a trinomial, negative 2x squared minus 4x plus 6x. That would be 2 because the highest exponent is 2. All right. This exponent, the highest exponent, would be 1 because it's 10x plus 1. That's just a binomial. So my answer would be 1. That's the degree of a polynomial. All right, that's the highest exponent in the problem. All right, now standard form is when you put the highest exponent first. So I'm just going to give you an example of 2 problems that you can see here, how I would put this into standard form. Just two really quick problems, and then I'm going to do 2 more, like one adding, one subtracting, just to like remind you if you need it, and that's about it. All right, so put those in standard form. So number 1, the highest exponent is a 3. So this one right here, this term, it needs to go first, all right? Sorry. Okay, so look, this term goes first. So it's going to be negative 4x cubed. Then the 2 is the next exponent. So you're going to put plus 2x squared and then plus 4x because that has an exponent of 1. That's standard form of this problem. All right, what would standard form be of this one? This says 3x plus 4x squared minus 4. This is your highest exponent. So it's going to be 4x squared plus 3x minus 4. That's standard form. That is not standard form. You don't write that as an answer on a test. You always write your answers in standard form. Okay, 1 problem adding, 1 problem subtracting, and then you're going to go to work on whatever you have to do. If you have to do all your assignments from 7.1, you go do them. If you just have to do the worksheet, you do that and you upload it. All right, so you're going to add this one. Okay, anytime if I'm going too fast, all you have to do is pause the video. All right, I feel like there's a really bad shadow right now, but oh well. All right, so we said we put like terms together. How do we know that we're adding? Because look, in the middle here is a plus sign. So we know we're adding this to this. All right, so now put the 2x squared and the minus 3x squared together. So you're going to do 2x squared minus 3x squared. That goes together. All right. Now, the 4x and the negative 1x, they go together. So it's going to be 4x minus 1x. That's a plus sign in there. All right. I don't have any more colors. I'm running out of markers. So and this is a loner anyway. It would just be plus 1. Okay. So you're going to put this together, and this together. So it's going to be 2 minus 3. That's negative 1x squared. 4x minus 1x is positive 3x, and then plus 1. Your final answer would be negative 1x squared plus 3x plus 1. That is adding polynomials. If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video as you go. Okay, you take notes. All right, this is what your worksheet is on to review. And also I'm giving people that didn't do their work another extra day, but tomorrow we're doing something new. All right, this one here, subtract these two polynomials. Okay, so remember we said that anytime you have a subtraction sign in between your two polynomials, you need to multiply the second polynomial by what? -1. So put a -1 here, multiply this, this, and this by -1. So it's going to be 3x squared minus 1x plus 3. That does not change. Plus, and then you're multiplying everything in the second parenthesis by -1. So it's going to be -14x squared minus 2x plus 7. Okay, now combine like terms. 3x squared goes with the -14x squared. So 3 minus 14, okay, is -11. -11x squared. All right, now this is a -1x. So -1x goes with -2x. What's -1 minus 2? -3x. All right, and then it's 3 plus a plus 7. So it's just 3 plus 7. So that's plus 10. All right, there's your final answer. Okay, if you have questions, you know when to get a hold of me. You can text me on Remind. You can go on to Schoology, send me a message, or you can log on to Zoom, clicking the website link at 9 to 10, and I'll probably be on there longer. And you need to go and do your 7.1 worksheet right now. Download it, complete it, upload it, and submit it by tomorrow morning. Any questions, let me know.